So we are back yet again. Fiber gifts, you know how it works. Week 7. So let's check out what we have in here. I'm very excited about these. I've had to stare at these for a while now, so I'm just very excited about them. These are the African market baskets. You see these guys everywhere. They're lovely. These are hand woven in Ghana, Africa. And it's fair trade, which is lovely. We love that. So these beautiful little tray baskets. They're so cute. And we have lots. So they come in all, I mean, you can't really anticipate what they're going to look like, but every single one of them is just beautiful. And I'm just going to keep doing this while I talk because there's so many of them and they all look so different. So these are going to go on sale, just as usual, for a week on November 27th. So check those out. This one's really cool. And they're going to be 25% off. So check them out. Get one. The only thing that I want to mention to you guys while we're here, this is very important, is that for a lot of reasons, we can't guarantee any colors. We can't take any, specific requests, that sort of thing. So do let us surprise you with a color. And they're all beautiful. You are not going to get one that you don't like because they are lovely. All of them. Every single one. I can just keep going forever. So get one. Put it on your table for your holiday meals. Put it on your table for not holiday meals. Put it on your table just for looks. Put it in your craft room just to have stuff in. Use it as a fruit basket. They're just so pretty. I just can't help but have a whole bunch in my house. So just put them in your house, make them beautiful. Put them on a wall if you want. That's a beautiful wall decoration. So yeah, grab one. Check them out. This one.